had a bad experience with a dentist long ago, and so it put me off going to the dentist, and I needed to see a dentist, so I came in to see Dr. Patel, and he kind of restored my faith in what a dentist can do for you and your dental health, and it's been an extremely positive experience. I can't say enough good things about them. Part of the bad experience I had before was being taken advantage of by a dentist financially. I hate to say being scammed, but being told I had multiple cavities when in fact I didn't. Tons of unnecessary x-rays and things like that. Prior dentists that I had seen, I always seemed to be just another one in the assembly line, just move them on out of here. Whereas Dr. Patel and his team, they take care of you. They converse with you. They know me when I come in here. We have a familiarity, extremely kind when I speak to them on the phone every time. If I have a question or concern, I can call them up. They don't just slough me off and refer me to someone else. They take the time to deal with it right there, and they're very compassionate.